do not get fooled about Toncoin here, because is it getting a little bit too overvalued at this current level? Well, we need to be talking about that exactly. What is the chart right now telling us? Is this altcoin still going to be bullish? We need to be having a look into some metrics, some important announcements, and also most importantly, need to have a look into some longer term charts and also about the price prediction. And this one is going to blow your mind, so make sure to watch till the end. Anyways, starting off with Toncoin, I have been super bullish about this altcoin back when the market cap was only sitting at a 2.7 billion US dollar market cap, and for reference, right now it is sitting at the 15.6 billion US dollar market cap. So it has been increasing quite a lot in terms of market cap. Also in terms of price, it has been going up quite a lot, because back when I initially started to be talking about it, well, it was only sitting at $1.50. So yeah, Toncoin is basically the coin created by Telegram, and that is why this altcoin is going to be having a lot of potential and a lot of hype behind it, and that is of course going to be extremely important with altcoins. Now first of all, having a look into some kind of a chart, yes, Toncoin looks to be creating some kind of a consolidation pattern right now. It broke bullish over here, right now consolidating, and in my opinion this is definitely looking quite bullish with the fact that we are of course sitting in a bull market. So I definitely do think that while in the short term we can be consolidating for a little bit longer, eventually we are going to be breaking out bullish and initiate a next leg towards the upside. Now having a look into some metrics for this altcoin, it is actually looking quite good. The two most important metrics are going to be the total value locked, the TVL, and also the volume with how much money is being traded on chain, and both of these metrics are actually very steadily increasing. Having a look into the TVL, which is going to be this blue line, well, it is just very steadily increasing. Now having a look into the volume, which are going to be the green candles, well, it is also still quite steadily increasing. But honestly, 320 million US dollars of total value locked is not that a significant amount for crypto. So while the metrics are definitely looking bullish with a lot of growth, well, it is not a lot for crypto. But I think majority of the reason why Toncoin is actually valued this high right now is basically because of the hype and the narrative behind Telegram. Because if Toncoin were really to be getting integrated with the Telegram app, that would be mega bullish, and that would be literally changing the world of crypto. And yes, we have already gotten this announcement that the CEO of Telegram actually announced that Telegram to exclusively use Ton for ad payments. So yes, we are getting some signals here and there, but do keep in mind it is very difficult for Telegram to really start integrating Toncoin because of regulations right now. But with the ongoing cases, it is actually looking like progress is being made. So maybe in the future we can actually be seeing that Telegram and Toncoin will be getting integrated. And if that were to be the case, well, Telegram has a total of 900 million monthly active users. So that will be literally absolutely insane if it were to be getting integrated, and it actually looks like maybe in the future we are going to be having that opportunity and that chance that it is actually going to be getting integrated. And that is why I think that Toncoin is being valued this high currently, because having a look into some metrics, well, it doesn't really make any sense that it is valued this high right now. But it is just valued as it is right now because of the future potential. That is where the investors are having a look in towards, and the future potential is definitely looking great. So we need to be keeping that in mind. Now having a look into some meme coins on the Telegram chain, because yes, a lot of meme coins are actually being traded on the Telegram chain. Well, the biggest meme coin is going to be Notcoin, and this one has actually very beautifully been breaking this downtrend that we have been forming. I've actually seen this downtrend being broken, and I've bought some Notcoin at this trend line break. Now right now it has been increasing a lot, and if we are going to be comparing this meme coin with the actual market cap of Toncoin, well, I think it is actually quite undervalued. So probably maybe there's going to be a big chance and a big opportunity coming in with this meme coin over here. But for that, do your own research. I'm not getting paid to be shilling this in any kind of way, shape or form. Anyways, having a look into the inflation and the tokenomics of Toncoin, it is actually looking quite good, because it is suggested over here that they are only having an inflation of 0.6%, which is definitely definitely very manageable for crypto. This is not a lot and definitely not in a bull market. It is looking extremely good. Definitely not something to be worried about. But actually, if we're going to be having a look into the inflation rate in terms of, market cap and the price difference, having a look into the chart, well, it is actually looking like more inflation is going on. So maybe behind the scenes, there is actually more inflation going on than 0.6%. Because if we compare the price chart with the market cap chart, you can actually see that, yes, it is looking extremely different and that there is definitely some inflation going on. But if we were to just go off of this 0.6% mark, it is definitely looking extremely great. Now, having a look into the longer term charts, before doing my final price prediction for this cycle, well, we have actually been creating a beautiful ascending triangle over here, creating this level of resistance, creating this uptrending support, and actually at the point of the breakout, we had this price target over here, which has actually already been exactly reached over here. Also, the Fibonacci targets, well, the 2.618 level has also already been reached, and we are seeing the same exact consolidation after reaching that level. So in my opinion, yes, the short term is actually looking quite good. It is looking like we can be seeing some continuation anytime soon. So for that, I want to be having a look into this next price target, the 4.618 level, and that is going to be coming in at the $10.6, and that is going to be a little bit of a shorter term prediction. But definitely do keep in mind that if the hype were to be continuing with maybe the integrations over here, that is where investors are having a look in towards when investing in this altcoin. Well, in that case, with the significant amount of hype we can be getting, well, it could be just the next Cardano. And actually, Toncoin could just be the Cardano of last cycle. Just like Crypto Rover is saying, I definitely do think you can be making a very strong case of this. There is a lot of hype and there is a big narrative ongoing behind Toncoin. Times are shifting, and I do think that because of that, we can actually be having a look into the market cap of Cardano of the last cycle of the all-time high, and that will be setting Toncoin at $40, and that is going to be quite insane in my opinion. That would be a 6x from of this current level for already a significant high cap, a large cap coin sitting at $15 billion, and that is going to be something very important to keep in mind because Toncoin is already quite a large cap. It is sitting at P12 of the crypto markets, but for a large cap like this, a 6x would definitely be extremely bullish. And honestly, even if it were to be reaching half of this price prediction of $40, so only $20, well, it would still be a very good multiplier in my opinion with the risk you are taking on this altcoin, because like I said, it is already a large cap, but probably in my personal opinion, it is not going to be worth the risk. I'm not investing a whole lot of money into this altcoin anymore. I've been buying some back right over here, but right now for me, in my personal opinion, I'm really having a look into the meme coins on this chain because I think that is having the most potential. But definitely you can already be getting some very nice returns when investing in this altcoin Toncoin. But anyways, with that being said, guys, I'll see you in another video later.